So when I get Reiki, I feel much lighter and my energies feel cleared out, and it's like my happiness comes through and the spirit comes through, and it's like then my energies are cleared and I feel a lightness and a erythral, I forget that word, but it's like heavenly.
Ethereal?
Yeah, thank
Uh-huh.
you. Yeah, I feel that, and I can't describe it. I think you have to do it for yourself to understand what I mean. And it's like you feel the energy from Marina. It's like you feel it all moving. And at one time there was a white light that came through, and I can't explain it other than that. So it's a beautiful, uplifting, clearing of energies, and you truly feel it.
Mm-hmm. And today we worked on your heart chakra, right? Can you
Yes.
show your beautiful rock that you brought?
Yes, so I brought this.
So you
Rose
intuitively
quartz.
knew that we needed to work on that, because when you do Reiki, you start also noticing and picking up things, right? We also talked about our cats noticing light vibrations, right?
Right.
You notice that you also start being more attuned to that, right?
Right. Yeah, absolutely. There's vibrations in everything. It's actually science. I've watched documentaries on it. So there's vibration. And so when you let that vibration low, it's like it's time for a Reiki energy session, and you can connect. 'Cause sometimes you can't do it on yourself because you're not so spiritually connected. So if there's someone who's more spiritually connected, it's easier to have the energy together and you work together. It's not an alone thing. It's not a one person. It's both of you doing the work.
Thank you.